Today I'm going to show you how to get Base44 for free in the simplest way possible. If you've been looking for a quick way to try Base44 without paying up front, this is the method you need to know. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open your browser and go to base44.com. That is the official website where you can access Base44 directly. Once the site loads, you'll see that Base44 offers free access through credits, which means you can start using it without paying right away. Now, here's the important part. The free credits are limited, so you won't have unlimited usage. But the good news is that these credits refresh every month. So if you run out, you can come back after the monthly reset and continue using the free tier again. To get started, simply visit base44.com, sign in or create your account if needed, and check your available free credits. From there, you can begin using the platform within the limits of the free plan. This makes it a great option if you want to test Base44, explore its features, or use it for light tasks without committing to a paid plan. So to recap, the process is really that easy. Go to base44.com, use the free credits included with the platform, and remember that the limit refreshes every month. That's the quickest way to get Base44 for free. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.